Okay guys, in this video we are going to look at how to add an authentication service into your application, how to authenticate users in your application. We are going to use the authentication service that is provided by the ASP.NET Core. I don't want to waste any time. I'll go and create this application very quickly, and then we will explain everything as we actually do stuff on the ground. So, but we are going to look at authentication, which is basically the process of identifying the user who's accessing a resource in your application. And there's a related topic distinct from authentication, which is called authorization, which is basically the process of determining whether the authenticated user has access to a certain resource. But in this lesson, we're only going to look at authentication. We're going to look at the packages that we are going to need in order to be able to perform authentication related tasks. So now we're going to fire up the terminal so that we can create our application. And to create an application, guys, I've been doing this. I've got these things. Visual Studio Code does keep all these things, so I'll just use these are called command. On one of my videos, I remember I forgot what do they call. These are called command. These are CLI command, custom identity authentication. Yeah, this is the name of our applications. Let's create it. Let's create this. And in this video, the other thing that I am going to do is to actually take the long route. It's where we're going to actually build everything from scratch. We're not going to scaffold the identity. We are actually going to create all the types that we want to be involved in the process of authenticating our users. We're basically going to build everything from scratch manually. And I will do that because I want you to understand how all of these code come together, so that even when you go to the auto-generated scaffolding, at least you understand what the framework is going to do to put together all the code that is going to authenticate your users. Boom, there we have our application. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're going to need a few packages, and I will just get those application very quickly into our application. The first one that we are going to need is I'll go to new get packages. I should go there so that we can get them therefore very quickly. We are going to get them therefore very quickly, very quickly. And you need to be careful of the version that you are using. For example, if you are using version 6, you should get version 6 of any package. If you are using version 7 of the platform .NET version 7, you should get version 7. You can get version 6 if you are targeting .NET platform version 7. Then you can get packages you can get version 6 packages. But if you are targeting version 6, you must not download the version 6, the version 7 packages. I don't know if I've said this the way I want. This is the first package that we are going to get into our application: Microsoft Visual Studio .web.code generation.design, because we are targeting it has not created all those files that we need to actually debug our code. But here we'll be targeting version 7 of .NET. So now we have .NET we are taking this the version 7 of this package. Does that make sense? Let's get it to our application very quickly. Let's not waste any time. We don't want to waste any time. Cool. Did we? Let's see. Okay. They could not find. Let's get to the. I always make this mistake. Custom. Let's get to where our project has been created, and then go back version 7. Yes. If you can check on this project, you'll find that there are no packages that are in our application yet. We're going to get all these packages that we are going to need. Come on. Come on. Why is it so slow? This package has been added. The second one, we're going to go to the next one. We don't want to waste time now. We're in a hurry. We are going to get the next package. We're going to get the next one. So I want version 7 of this. I'll clear this before so that you can see. Second one, we edit it. I'll get the third one. Add another one. Get Tina Sala Nabagiti. I'll get another one.